Hello guys, this is Pawan from Amdotronics. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about what is void pointer. In our previous video tutorial we have come to know about what is while pointer basically. Now we will see what is void pointer and what is the advantage of void pointer basically. So first we can come across like what is void pointer, what is the definition of void pointer if I'll say. So void pointers are those pointers which points to the objects of any kind of data type. Like it could be integer data type, float data type or char data type. So we can declare it to any kind of data type by typecasting to that data type. So now the thing is here if I talk about in this example, here we have taken two variables, integer value 10, float value 3.14. Now I am declaring a void pointer with a data type called void. It means there is no data type, just a void. So void asterisk generic pointer. Now first we will assign the value address of integer value to this generic pointer. It means it will point the void pointer to an integer variable, and we will print it. And while printing, we have, before dereferencing through this asterisk, we have to typecast to integer variable through this int asterisk, because this pointer is containing the address of this integer value. So then only we will get the proper result. Otherwise it could lead us to the undefined behavior of program, or our program may lead to misbehave or something like that. So this is the case. And in another case, we are just assigning float value, address of float value to this generic pointer, and we are printing. And before printing, again here we are just typecasting to float, and we are dereferencing after that this typecasting, and then we are printing. So this way our void pointer basically works. Now if I let's say about like you probably will be thinking like, what is the use case of these type of pointers? We can directly define integer and float directly, and we can get the results. Here the thing is, it is very useful basically when we will come across like dynamic memory allocation like malloc and calloc, which basically returns a void pointer only. So on that case on that case we can, in runtime, when we don't know what type of data type basically we need to use, that on that case we can typecast on that particular time of when we need it basically of that pointer. Then only we can typecast of that pointer and we can print that value. So malloc is like as we all know, it's the basic declaration of that malloc function is void asterisk malloc size of the data type. So so I think this is the these are the advantages I would say of void pointer. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. Thanks for watching this video.